Hi, today I'll be showing you all how to make an origami heart. Start off by folding a square sheet of paper into a triangle. Now unfold. Rotate the paper and fold the paper into another triangle. Fold again. Now take the bottom corner of the square and fold it up to the center of the paper. Rotate the paper. Take the bottom corner of this side and fold it up to the top edge. Now fold one side to the center. Now fold the other side to the center line. Flip the shape over. Now fold in the corners just a little bit. Make sure to repeat on the other side. Now fold both top corners down. Flip the shape over. Now you have your completed heart.